Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have Volkswagen Jetta 2007 and we have to program the remote. The key that we have at the start of the car, but the remote is not working. So let us go ahead and see what is the option. I am using my console, my what they call 608. Let me open it. I have one working key in the ignition. I'm going to turn the key on, as you see here. Ignition is on. Then we're going to come here. Let's see. We just want to first to program the remote. If everything is okay, then we are good to go to cut the key and program it. Okay, let's go here now for VIN. Okay. Auto detect. This is the car. Say okay. What you want to do is a European Jetta or European Golf or South America. I gotta go to Jetta European 99 2015 2005 2018. I will take this one, and it is here is the car, and this side is a Mexico production. Say yes, or Mexico assembly. Here now you're gonna go to control unit and then remote system for 2007 Jetta. I will choose ignition is on. So now we are waiting here. Here is instruction. Say okay, and then leave remote learning. Just go to add remote control. Say unlock the door. After you unlock the door, say okay. Then within 10 seconds, push one of this, and you're gonna see that the cluster will blink. It's the signal. That's it. Let's program it. Remote control reading success. Say okay, then you go back. I'm gonna take this one out now, and I will look for this. Look at you see. Okay, and then I will push this one. It's supposed to work here, right? Okay, it worked. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Some of them, when you do it, it gotta work automatically with everything together, and some of them you have to add it on. This is the old one. It doesn't work at all. And when you want to program it, you have to add it in the same time. Please subscribe, share, and like.